light in the dark. In a world so loud, I choose to pray. Stillness in my soul guide my way. Different faces, different names, but every heart feels joy and pain. Faith in the morning, hope at night. Love is the truth, love is the light. No matter your color, no matter your creed, we all breathe the same air we need. One heart, one light, one human race. Love and respect in every place. Faith and hope, let them grow. Kindness is the only way we know. Be kind, be true, let love be strong. This world is where we all belong. Hands together, spirits rise. Ancient drums and island vibes. From temple bells to reggae sound. Unity is what I found. No hate in my heart, no fear in my soul. Love is the rhythm that makes me whole. From east to west, from shore to shore, we are all brothers, sisters and more. One heart, one light, one human race. Love and respect in every place. Faith and hope, let them grow. Kindness is the only way we know. Shanti, shanti, peace inside. Let compassion be our guide. Home in my heart, base in my soul. Love keeps playing, keeps control. If I can love